welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have absolutely no makeup on my face right now, and that is because I am going to be sharing with you all a no makeup tutorial. I thought this look would be perfect for those who aren't a fan of wearing too much makeup. They prefer the natural look, or maybe you have parents like I did who did not allow me to wear makeup until I was 13 years old. So once I hit that age, they were like, okay, you can start wearing makeup now, but not too much. So this is a look for all of you guys. And if you would like to see how I achieve the look, then continue watching. Alright, so there's a couple of products that I want to share with you all that will help you achieve this look. The first one is this facial mask by Aveeno. It's called Positively Radiant 60-second in-shower facial cleanser. I kid you not, this is one of the best products that I have ever used on my face. So what it is, it reveals brighter and rejuvenated skin in just 1 minute. It's moisture-rich soy and lemon peel extract. So basically, you get in the shower. I'll normally wait till the end of my shower to apply this because then my pores are opened up. You apply it for 1 minute and then afterwards you just wash it, and when you get out of the shower, you definitely will notice a glow and a brighter look on your face. This next product might be optional for you all, but I did apply an under eye mask because I do have a little bit of dark circles under my eyes, so this helps me brighten that area. It is just a 3-pack of under eye mask, ultra hydrating. You apply it to clean, dry face and leave it on there for 15 minutes right under your eye area right here. And yeah, you'll just notice a brighter look to your face and a less tired look. So these are 2 products I used before starting this look. Okay, so I'm first going to start off using a moisturizer. This one is by Pond's. It's called Clarant B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream. It just has vitamins B3 and C. It diminishes dark spots and even skin tone. So this will also help out with any dark circles you may have on your face. And I'm just going to apply a little bit to my face. And carefully working it into my skin. A moisturizer is going to keep your face hydrated throughout the day. I have been using this product for a couple of years now. It's the only moisturizer that I've used, and I just absolutely love it. I do notice that my face looks brighter. Next, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows. This is also an optional step for those who already have nice, thick, full eyebrows. You might not need to do this step, but mine are a little bit sparse, so I will be filling them in. And I feel like having your eyebrows nice and full really gives you a nice completed look. The one I'm using is by Maybelline, but I'm not 100% sure what collection it's from. It's like a duo, so this side is like a soft spongy side, and then the other side is a pencil. I will link it down below though. Now I'm just going to brush through my eyebrows, make them look a little more natural. Next, I'll be curling my eyelashes. At what age were you guys allowed to apply makeup? Because like I said, I wasn't allowed until I was 13. I can remember the first time I came home from school with makeup that I applied in the school bathroom, and I had green eyeshadow and black eyeliner underneath my eyes, and I just remember wanting to apply the darkest shades to my eyes because I wanted to stand out and make it look like, ooh, she's wearing makeup, but that was a terribly wrong choice. Now that my eyelashes are curled, I'm just going to be applying a clear mascara. This one is by Essence. In the very last step, I am going to be applying this e.l.f. cream blush. It's also a 3-in-1. You can use it as blush, you can use it as a lip balm, and you can also apply it as an eyeshadow. Today I'm just going to be using it for blush and a lip balm. This one is in the color Rose Royalty. It's just a very beautiful pinky peach color. Again, that is a favorite of mine for the spring and summertime. I've mentioned this in previous videos before, but it just gives me a nice peachy glow. And I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And now to apply some to my lips. So this is a final look. I know it's probably not much different from the beginning of this video, but I did try to go as minimum as possible, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. I do have a couple of options if you guys prefer a little bit more coverage or darker eyelashes. You could apply a BB cream. This one is by Maybelline. It is the Dream Fresh BB Cream 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Protector. I love this product. And then this is just the NYX Worth the Hype Mascara in the color black. It makes your lashes long and full. So yeah, again, those are two products that I recommend if you are just looking for a little bit more coverage. Let me know down in the comments below if you prefer a more glammed up look or a natural look like this one. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more fun videos coming your way. I do have some fun ones planned for the summertime, and I can't wait to share them with you all. And yeah, I hope you all have a magical day, and I will see you next time. Bye!